Hello, all. Welcome to day 7's Build Habit session. Now, you have one task for today. What you have to do is simple. You have to listen to an English content, let it be movies or TV show or podcast or audiobooks or anything. It is widely available these days. No, movies are there, many YouTube vlogs are there, podcasts are there, audiobooks are also there. If you are lazy to read a book, you can hear or listen to an audio book. And what you have to do, you have to listen it properly for a few minutes or hours also you can take, and you can note the unique words or different words that you got in that task or in that activity. And another thing you wanted to do it importantly is that you have to uh, try pronouncing the accent. You have to get the accent, or you have to try pronouncing each word that is new to you. And if any doubts there, you can ask your personal trainer for the help. Hope it's clear. You should not miss this. If you miss this, it's like it is not going to do any goodness for you. You have to do it. Hello all, today I'm going to give you a set of words and phrases are there, idioms are there within this vocabulary set. And what you have to do, you have to see to this properly and you can try constructing sentences using each words. Okay, the first word for you is I see. I see, that is a usage itself, and the meaning is used to show how understanding or acknowledgement of what someone is saying. If someone is telling something to us and if we want to tell that yeah we understood, instead of that how can we tell yeah I see, yeah I see, like that we can tell. Okay, and examples are Neha says I was late because of traffic, and Karan is replying I see that happens. Neha is telling her friend that I was late because it was so much of traffic on the road. So Karan is replying, yeah, that is common, that is natural. Oh, I see, like that he is replying. And one more example, you should try this new restaurant. One person is telling after going to one restaurant in the town that you should try this restaurant. It is very good. It is so tasty. Food supplying is so tasty, and hospitality is also good. Like that, one person is telling to his or her friend, and the person is replying that I see, I'll check it out. Oh, is it right? Yes, I'll surely go there and check it out. That is what the reply of the friend is. And another word for you is friendly. Friendly is a very common word, no, and it is an adjective also, and the meaning is kind and pleasant. Kind and pleasant, that is very simple, right? And the similar words are kind, amiable, warm. Amiable, warm. Amiable is another new word for you, and it means friendly only. She is an amiable person, like that we can tell. And warm, warm is also another synonymous word for friendly. See the examples. He is a friendly person who always greets everyone with a smile. One person is talking about another boy or another person. He is a friendly person. He is a very friendly person who always greets everyone with a smile. How that person is friendly? How can we tell that person is friendly? He always greets or he always smiles if that particular guy meets another person face to face or around the place where he go. Hope it's clear. And another example for you is a friendly atmosphere makes everyone feel comfortable. A friendly atmosphere, that means a lively atmosphere without any tensions or any stresses. Such a situation or such an atmosphere will make everyone comfortable. For example, if you are working in a company and your manager is behaving so good to you, and you will be feeling so comfortable and friendly with that person, and the team itself, you will be feeling so comfortable and friendly, and that will impact positive on your work also, right? Got it? That is it. Now the next word for you is creative. Creative, that is an adjective, and the meaning of the word is using imagination or original ideas. That is, if we are making something new from the ideas we have or the skills we have, using all those things, if we are creating some new things, we are called creative people. Understand? So similar words are imaginative, inventive, or artistic. And the examples include she has a creative mind and loves to design new things. Like here we are talking about a girl who is very creative. That is, she usually designs new things using her skills, her skill sets, her talents, and all those things. And after all, as a result of all these
her hard work, her creativity, all those things she puts into the work she do, a new thing, a beautiful, a cute, a pretty result will be coming out. That is the meaning of the sentence written here. And one more example is given: being creative helps solve problems in unique ways. That is, if we are confronting with a problem that is very serious in nature, so if we are trying to make it more like complicated, it will go worse. No, that is, it will destroy our mind will be depressed, and everyone surrounding that issue will also get depressed. But if we are taking it in a creative way, and if we are trying to solve it in a creative way using our trick, or what, like using small tips or some trick in a tricky manner, if we are trying to solve that issue, the issue will be getting solved easier, and that issue's impact will be erased from all the person's mind. Got it? That is the meaning of the sentence given here. And next, the word. It's not a word, it's a phrase here. And the phrase is fair and square. Fair and square. And the meaning of the phrase is: in an honest and straightforward manner. Similar words, I'll look into the similar words and it will be clear for you. Similar words include honesty, justly, openly. That means fair and square means without any cheating, or without any foul play or any wrong play. We are going straight forward and we are winning the match or winning the task we are committed. And now we'll look into the examples and we'll make it clear. Maya says, I want the game fair and square, no cheating involved. I already told, no, without doing any wrong in our attitude or behavior or in our task. We are doing it in a straightforward way and we are winning the match. There is no cheating. That is ultimately conveyed there. And Arjun is saying the competition was tough, but they won fair and square. The competition was very tough, but they won was so nicely, so openly, like that we can tell. And some other examples are given here, and they include: he admitted his mistake fair and square, earning everyone's respect. One person has committed some mistakes, and what he did in front of everyone, he accepted all those mistakes and realized that he has done wrong, and what everyone like realize that, oh, this person is so good or so honest. He admitted his mistakes. That is the great thing everyone feel. And the next one, the judge ensured that the trial was conducted fair and square. The judge ensured that the judge made like what clear that the trial was conducted fair and square. That is, without any cheating, the trial was conducted. Judge ensured that, okay, like the judge also realized and cross-checked whether the trial was done in the right way. That is the meaning of that particular sentence. Hope it is clear. Now the next word for you is casual, which is an adjective that means relaxed and informal. We usually tell, no, that is, we are wearing a casual dress, or otherwise we'll tell we are wearing a formal dress. So the difference is that. And similar words include informal, relaxed, easygoing. Okay, that I'll give you an instance that I am working in a reputed IT firm. Okay, so when I am going to the office for meetings or any, no, daily I'm going to the office. No, so I'll be wearing the formal dress like coat, shirt, pant with the socks, shoe, everything I will be wearing. And so I'm coming back from home and I wanted to go to some supermarkets. How will I go? Will I go in the same attire? No. After fresh up and all, I'll take a casual dress and I'll go for a supermarket or shopping, or let it be anywhere. For our personal purpose, we'll go in casual dress. That is the difference. Okay. So now here are some examples. Maya says, let's keep it casual and wear jeans to the party. Maya is telling that they are going to, like Maya is discussing with some other person that yeah, we can go to the party, like that they were discussing, and Maya is again telling to that particular person that let's keep this party as casual, that is, it is a very friendly or a very personal function, we can go in a casual attire. And Arjun says our meeting was very casual and friendly. What Arjun is saying, Arjun is saying that our meeting was not any kind of formal one, it was a casual kind only, so friendly. We were able to express our opinions, our thoughts and suggestions, so it was so casual. And some other examples are also given here. The restaurant has a casual atmosphere perfect for hanging out. What one person is telling, the restaurant has a casual atmosphere. It's a very friendly, very positive, and we like that atmosphere. It is not very rigid or it's not very compact or nothing like that. It's very casual and it's a perfect place for going and chilling. Got it? And the next example is their conversation started casually but turned into a discussion, deep discussion. Here, two persons are discussing about something. They are talking very casually, but after some time, their conversation went beyond this casual talk, and they were now discussing about a serious talk. Okay, that is the difference between that casual and formal. And hope it is clear for you. Now, here is a verb for you, that is, next word is undergo. Undergo, and the meaning is to experience or endure something. That is, when we are talking about some surgery or some treatment, some procedures, we'll tell undergo. They will mostly we'll use this word that time. And similar words include experience, endure, face. And now we'll look into the examples. Maya says he will undergo surgery next week. I told you, no, while in case of medical, all those things we will be telling this particular word. I'm not telling we will be using that time only. No, it's not like that. But mostly we use undergo for expressing some medical conditions or something like that. And Arjun is saying that the company underwent significant changes last year. Here, see, the situation is entirely different. It's talking about a company's ups and downs, right? The company underwent significant changes last year. Company, here the word used is underwent. Undergoes, past is underwent. Underwent significant changes last year. The company experienced or a company faced many changes last year. That is what conveyed here. And the next example, she had to undergo a lot of training to qualify for the job. That is, she has to go through all the many tasks, training kind of tasks to join for that job. The next example, the bridge is undergoing repairs after the recent floods. After the recent floods, that is, after the place was hit with flood, the bridge got destroyed, and now the bridge is getting repaired. So it is undergoing. The work is undergoing. That is the meaning of the word undergoing here. Now, the next word here is punctual. It is very important that everybody should be punctual in their work. Everybody should be punctual in their tasks they do, should be punctual in their life, all those things. So, the word punctual itself is very important, and the meaning is always on time. On time, like sticking on time. Sticking on time means like you have to agree to your own word or some promises we give. Okay. And now examples are, Maya says it's important to be punctual for meetings. Maya is saying to another person, sometimes it might be her colleague, telling that it's important to be punctual for meetings. You should be punctual. You should be on time for the meetings. Now Arjun is saying he is very punctual and never keeps anyone waiting. Arjun is talking about some person, and what Arjun is telling, he is a very punctual person. He won't let everyone wait for him. Okay. Next example, she is known for her punctuality and discipline. That is, she, one talking about one particular girl. She is known for her punctuality and discipline. She is so punctual. She tells her if I reach there 11 a.m., she will be there just before 5 or 10 minutes, and at sharp time she'll be reporting that place. Next example, being punctual shows respect for others people's time also. That is, being punctual, that doesn't shows your attitude or your behavior or your nature alone, but others respect also, like we are respecting others, that is we are valuing their time also. Everyone's time is precious, right? We should not waste anyone's time, or we should not waste our time also. So punctuality shows respect for other people also. Got it? Hope it's clear for you. Now the vocabulary activity for you is, like I already gave you six words, six new words to you, and that includes phrases, idioms also. And what you have to do with each word, you have to make sentences. And not only sentences, you have to write down sentences and also record the sentences that you made and forward it to your trainer to get it corrected. With every word, like every word, you have to construct one sentence and uh, put it to your trainer to get it corrected. Hope it's clear. Don't miss this task also. It is very important. That is, you are learning a new word and you are trying to include in your conversation also. That is the use here. Okay, so do it at the earliest and send it to your personal trainer.